Hello everyone, this is Antonio. And first of all, I would like to start this video off by saying this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. And just like a lot of you have saw the tweets by Elon Musk and you have seen the very reason why some of your investments are a lot lower this morning. And that's because Elon Musk took the liberty when he tweeted yesterday that Tesla would no longer be bought with cryptocurrency, specifically Bitcoin. If many of you don't know, Bitcoin is the granddaddy of the cryptocurrency world. And when Tesla started accepting Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency Bitcoin went to an all-time high. And because Tesla no longer accepts Bitcoin, it's at one of the worst times in history for some people investment. So let's look and give reasons why he says Tesla will no longer accept the be bought with cryptocurrency. All right, Elon Musk announced that Tesla has suspended vehicle purchasing using Bitcoin, resulting in cryptocurrency crashing. Tesla has suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin. We are concerned about rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which are the most emissions of any fuel, the electric car company CEO tweeted. Cryptocurrency is a good idea on many levels, and we believe it has promising future, but this cannot come at a great cost to the environment. Tesla will not be selling any Bitcoin. We intend to use it for transactions as soon as miner transitions to more sustainable sustainable energy. We are looking at other cryptocurrencies that use. When this happened, Bitcoin completely crashed. For a lot of us, we remember very recently that Bitcoin was at 64,000 in value, where a lot of people didn't think at one point that Bitcoin would ever cross 30,000. And one of the very reasons why Bitcoin went to that high is because when Tesla started allowing people to purchase their cars with cryptocurrency. Let's look at some of the other reasons why it dropped. Bitcoin dropped below 50,000 as 2 billion in crypto long positions liquidated. The price of Bitcoin has dropped below 50,000 again. I'm sorry about that. While 2 billion worth of crypto futures long positions have been liquidated over the past hour. And this is from yesterday at 8:50 p.m. Data shows that the price started to plunge around 22 UTC time on Wednesday and dropped to as low as 46,000 on Coinbase Pro. It has quickly bounced back to around 51,000, but that 51,000 was last night, because if you see clearly, that is at 50,000 now, that it dropped another 11.18%. Meanwhile, data in BYBT shows that around 2 billion in crypto future long positions have been liquidated in the last hour, with 1.12 billion of them coming from Bitcoin. This is terrible, because at the same time that Bitcoin crashed, and of course we know Bitcoin is the granddaddy of cryptocurrency, this caused coins such as Dogecoin to crash as well. I believe in another video I would do, Dogecoin went down to like 36 cents. It's bad. It's bad. Indeed, the broader crypto market is seeing significant drops over the past 24 hours, according to CoinGecko. The top cryptocurrencies by market have all fallen by 5% to 17%, drops with Dogecoin leading the plunge. Because let's remember, Dogecoin was just getting a little footing in the market, and now that has dropped to some of the lowest proportions in the last month. And like Shiba Inu meme coin is now changing hands at 0.4, down 40% from its current high to 0.7. The other Shiba meme coin that has halted a rival Dogecoin has dropped, also plunged by 30% within the last 24 hours to 0.0001853, which is down more than 50% from its recent high, and a doggone phenomenal over the past week. The market reaction also comes shortly after Elon Musk tweeted that Tesla would stop taking Bitcoin, which I've said at the first part of this video. All right, let's look at another issue that may come into with this, and this article is from today by decrypt.co. Bitcoin mining difficulty hits new all-time high after 21.5% increase. Bitcoin mining difficulty has recorded its biggest increase in 3 years, hitting an all-time high above 25 trillion. And this is another reason, and I'm just going to read some of this article very quickly. Bitcoin mining difficulty just hit a new all-time high above 25 trillion, according to data provided by BTC.com. The new all-time high of 25.05 trillion represents a 21.53% increase since the last readjustment on May 1st, when the difficulty fell by 12.6, recording the Bitcoin's network's largest downward correction since the start of the year. Bitcoin mining difficulty is a relative measure of the amount of computation resources required to produce new coins. The value either increases or decreases after every 2016 blocks, and roughly every 14 days, depending on how quickly the previous 2016 blocks were found. This issue compounded with one man who went on SNL and called Bitcoin a hustle, took people that's not really strict investors, they shaky investors, which most of us are, because nobody want to get into the market and lose money. And then it's like you playing hokey pokey. You allow people to, at one point, purchase your cars with Bitcoin, and that's where a lot of people stop making their investments. There are some people that has zero money in the stock market, and all of their money are in cryptocurrencies, whether it's in Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic, whether it's in Litecoin, Dogecoin, SafeMoon. They got people that have their money solely in cryptocurrency, and with this one transactional purpose, crash a lot of people dividends. So I just want to make this quick video of why the Bitcoin has crashed, and because when Bitcoin crashes, it's going to have a lasting effect on other cryptocurrencies that's trying to find a footing in the door. So maybe this might bring some insight when you look at your portfolio and you figure that, why is my money down? Once again, before I even ended this video, Bitcoin has went down some more percentage rates. Now has dipped below 50,000. That means that people are selling more and more and more. So be mindful. There were some Bitcoin millionaires that have never taken their money out of their portfolio, and some of these people have seen a significant drop, and they are no longer millionaires until it sustains some kind of recovery. So once again, I just want to make this quick video. This is Antonio, and I will see you in the next video where I bring to you about cryptocurrencies or the stock market.